What is going on, everyone? Blake back here with Gear Up YT, currently at my house right now. But I have some exciting news for you guys. We are gonna go get another four-wheeler. We're looking and buying at another four-wheeler. I'm really excited to bring another four-wheeler back to the channel for you guys, but we're looking at a 2008 Honda TRX 450er. I'm really excited to build it, have another quad to be built and brought to the channel. Me and Connor have an amazing drawing board together. We've got some great ideas together for doing this and building this quad, and we are super stoked and excited to show you guys. We cannot wait to bring you guys along this adventure with us. Like I said, I'm here at my house right now, currently filming, but cannot wait to take you guys on this journey as always. Let's go show you the quad. Alrighty, so here's our quad, 2008 Honda TRX 450er. As you can see, this is an amazing looking bike. It is so hard to find four-wheelers around here in clean, good condition as this one, especially for the price. But I mean, all around clean quad, everything works on it. Looks like we even got some goodies on here, like some carbon fiber hand guards, a Tusk Racing front bumper, some Pro Armor Nerf bars. I mean, this was the best deal I found here where I'm at. This is the quad that's going to be the base of another awesome build to show you guys, and I am super stoked to show you guys. We're not getting rid of this one. We are going to keep this one. I'm not getting rid of it. I missed having a quad so much. I'm ready to have another, so we'll see you guys soon.
So we are currently going over to Blake's house to pick him up. We're going to have a about 2-hour drive up there to pick up his four-wheeler. Got Ethan with me. We're ready to head to his house. Pick up the camera back when we arrive.
All right, good morning, Gear Up YT. It is Saturday. We got Connor, we've got his brother Ethan, and we've got Lene. We're about to hit the road for this four-wheeler. We've got about a 2-hour drive ahead of us roughly, so we're ready to hit the road, go look at this thing, and hopefully pick it up. Yep. We'll catch you guys whenever we get there. Well, as you can see, we struck a deal. We've now got another quad to build for the channel. I'm still shaking. Maybe because I'm cold too.
It's about 23.
Oh yeah, like 20 degrees out here. Okay, so already it's got bead locks.
Yep, I see that.
That was probably the coolest dude we've ever met up with.
Yeah.
I'm not even gonna lie. He didn't want to be filmed though, and I completely. Yeah, perfect. Oh, sorry, buddy. Good? Good?
Yep. Well, oh well.
Oh. Looks great too.
Ethan love.
This is a nice quad. No, I am so ready to build this thing. I don't think I could have picked a better candidate.
Oh yeah, I think that's the best one you could have chose.
Yeah. We are back, and we have another project. So, kind of the idea that came up with this was side-by-sides are expensive. They are very fun to drive, very fun. They are very expensive though. So, I've been missing the adrenaline rush with having a 450, and as you guys saw previously, we went and picked one up. So let's talk a little bit about it. So far what I have found on it is we've got some brand new Maxxis Razor tires on it. They are awesome. We've got a beadlock type of wheel. We've got some really expensive Pro Armor Racing Nerf bars on it. They are nice, I really like them. Plastics are in phenomenal condition. I mean, none of the tabs are broken, missing. We'll kind of move up here to the front. We've got a set of fat bars already on it. I really like them, and I took off those monstrosity of hand guards. I did not like those. We got a Tusk Racing front bumper. I don't know the brand of all the skid plates, but we've got A-arm, belly, and rear end skid plates on the whole thing already. So that's already $350, $400 saved.
Yes.
In higher RPM, it kind of cuts out, but that's nothing that can't be handled, nothing that can't be fixed. We bought it as a project anyways. We wanted to bring more content like that to this channel. I know, I made the promise to you guys. I mean, the Pro Armor, this side, the netting isn't in the greatest shape, needs new nets. It's got a UNI air filter. in it already, so that's kind of aftermarket. I don't know. I think it needs an airbox lid. That's why it might be cut now. I don't know, maybe you run it with this exhaust. It does have an aftermarket Moto Works exhaust on it. It sounds pretty good in my opinion. I do like how it sounds, but I want to get it. I don't know how you pronunciate it or pronounce it. Dasa or Dasa, however you say it. Correct me if I'm wrong. I want to get a full Dasa exhaust on it, racing exhaust. I love the way it sounded. I had an old 450. We'll drop you a picture right here. But I had an old white 450 and it had that on it. It sounded amazing. I loved how that bike sounded. Quiet whenever you wanted it quiet, loud whenever you wanted it loud. So we've got a lot in store for this bike, and I mean a lot. The price and the amount of money that's gonna go into this bike is gonna send me into, like, I am never gonna be able to financially recover. I guess you guys might wanna hear the exhaust.
Of course.
It sounds good. We're gonna make a really badass bike. I mean, this is gonna be a mean bike.
It's gonna be a lot we're gonna be doing to it.
I'm excited to bring this quad along with the channel. I was told by my other half, not Connor, my other half, I cannot sell this one. So, therefore it cannot go anywhere.
We're gonna be putting a lot of money into this. Like,
God.
I don't think I've seen anyone do what we're gonna be doing to this
no,
bike.
absolutely not.
We're gonna be doing a lot, and
at least not in detail.
No,
like what you're saying.
We're adding a lot of detail into this, and like probably too much. Like, it's gonna be too nice, but it's gonna be awesome.
But that was the whole plan of this thing, was to go buy a quad.
There's no budget on this.
No, there is no
There's
budget.
zero budget.
That 400 was kind of a budget. This is the channel's quad, like literally the channel's
This is going to be the face of the channel.
Yeah.
So if you guys can't tell, he's really excited.
Oh my gosh. Every time I hop on this thing, I get so stupid. My adrenaline's just like, go fast. That's all said and done there. That covers everything, man. It's gonna be a really nice four-wheeler. I mean, it already is. But
oh, well, 100%.
It's gonna be an even better four-wheeler. Good morning, Europe YT. What's going on, guys? Today is ride day. We're finally gonna go out and rip the 2008 Honda TRX 450er like you guys have been waiting for. I've been teasing it all week. Today's finally the day we're gonna go rip it. Saturday morning. You guys see me pull out another bike. This is a 2002 Honda 400EX. This is my stepbrother's. He ended up buying this bike from me. It's got a complete top end rebuild. It's got a bunch of work done to it. Only reason why we're taking it with us is my stepdad is gonna come riding with us today and go putt around a little bit and have some fun with us as well. So before we load him up though, this one needs a little bit of a battery charge and a clutch adjustment. So we gotta do that real quick before we load it up. But we're ready to see both these machines rip today. I'm excited to see their capabilities and what they can do. So stay along for the fun. This is gonna be a good day. Alrighty, you guys, we are all loaded up, got the trailer all loaded up and taken care of. I didn't film too much, it was just a quick, easy adjustment, but we got the clutch on this 400EX all adjusted. It's good, shifts through the gears amazing. Got them both full of fuel, and we're loaded up, ready to head to Connors and do some riding. Stay tuned, this is about to be an awesome adventure. Hey everyone, we're excited to announce the launch of our new supporter website, where you can head over, grab some new gear and merch to help support the channel, everything we do, the awesome and cool builds that we do. Head on over and grab you some merch.
Our collection includes everything from hats, t-shirts, hoodies, and accessories. By buying merch, you're not only showing your love for the channel, you're directly supporting the channel's content and builds of the series.
You can get your merch today at gearupyt.shop. Head over there, keep supporting the channel, helping us out with these amazing builds. As always, as you can see, we had a blast today filming in the mud. It was a great day. Head over, get some merch. Thank you for all of your support. We greatly appreciate it every day. All right, we made it safe and sound to Connors. We've got all the four-wheelers here. Trying to get Blake started up in there. His little brothers. We've got the 450, Connors Rubicon, the 400 running. We've got his little brothers running. So, ready to go have some fun today, have a good time, and be safe while doing it. So, let's do it. Thank you.
Muddy out. I am covered in mud now. We'll get some shots now of Blake go down the road.
Let's get a little flyby right here.
Yeah?
How's that sound?
Sounds good to me. Lower field, get more shots. I'll be committed to this in a minute.
stuck.
Okay, I lost control.
He lost control.
I about killed our cameraman. I'm happy with that. You're still not dirty.
I'm happy with that. I think we got some pretty good fucking shots.